We see visuals coming in, live visuals of Rhea Chakravarti just headed towards the CBI office, the DRDO makeshift office of the CBI there in Mumbai. We know that Rhea Chakravarti has been grilled for 9 hours yesterday. She's now going to be posed a set of questions again today by the CBI. Many other housemates as well, including Deepesh. You have Siddharth Pithani, Keshav, Samuel Miranda, who are currently at the CBI office, who are being grilled by the CBI because inconsistencies in their statements have been reported. There could be a time when Rhea Chakravarti will be grilled simultaneously alongside the other housemates just to see if all their statements match. The crucial element here is what really happened between the dates of June 8th to June 13th. June 14th was when Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead in his house. What transpired between those days? It's also very crucial to note that Sushant Singh Rajput's sister was staying with Sushant during those days after Rhea left. Will Sushant's sister also be summoned by the CBI? Will she also be questioned? What was the fight that really ensued in Sushant's house between Rhea Chakravarti and Sushant on the day that she was leaving? What is this hard drive really all about? Rhea Chakravarti has dismissed that there was any hard drive at all. She says these are baseless allegations and she believes that Siddharth Pithani would never have said something like that. But sources from the CBI claim that Siddharth Pithani has said to the CBI that there were 8 hard drives that were destroyed in the presence of Rhea Chakravarti and Sushant Singh Rajput. They even called in an IT professional to destroy it. Now, this statement, of course, sounds bizarre, but of course, it's for the CBI now to investigate and even question Rhea on the same. Let's quickly cut across to Divyesh now joining us right outside the CBI's office where Rhea Chakravarti is currently now headed to. Divyesh, Rhea is now headed to the CBI office. How long do you think it's going to take her to reach right there?
Nabila, shortly, it will take a very short time for Rhea Chakravarti to reach here, DRDO guest house, which is also in Santa Cruz itself. So shortly, Rhea could be here. I would ask my camera person to pan a bit and show that there's movement we can see over there at the DRDO guest house gate. There's heavy movement of media persons. Also, the security personnel at DRDO guest house have come outside the gate, and any moment Rhea Chakravarti could arrive here for the second round of questioning. Rhea will be questioned again. She will be asked regarding each and every aspect. While there are several allegations against her, as per the FIR, she's been booked under several sections of the IPC, wrongful confinement, theft, cheating, breach of trust, criminal conspiracy and embezzlement of funds. So CBI will look into the financial angle as well. She will be questioned regarding her properties, her source of income, her assets that she owns, her properties, and whatever bank deposits she has. Her ITR returns will be analyzed, and after that she'll be asked if the money which has been alleged that there was a certain amount of money that was embezzled from Sushant's account, was it parked in some other accounts as well, because her associates, her friends, her family members are to be grilled. Her family members have also been named as accused. Shruti Modi, who is the business manager of Rhea and Sushant Singh Rajput, she will be grilled. As of now, the CBI hasn't summoned Shruti Modi, but her statement will be recorded. She is one of the named accused in this FIR. Samuel Miranda is here today. Samuel Miranda is being questioned, and he was earlier also questioned by the CBI. He has again been called, and he is being questioned regarding the accounts of Sushant Singh Rajput, regarding the withdrawals. Especially Samuel Miranda was a person who would go to the bank and withdraw money from Sushant's accounts, and as per the disclosure sent by Enforcement Directorate to Narcotics Control Bureau, Samuel Miranda and Rhea were in know-how of Sushant Singh Rajput's PIN numbers and bank details, and they were allegedly, again I'll tell, allegedly using Sushant's money for their personal purposes.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.